In this video, you will learn exactly how to make your man chase you again. I know why you want to do this. You want to demonstrate the fact that you are an irresistible catch that he just can't get enough of. Or maybe you just don't want to try so hard to get his full attention. Or maybe you think he doesn't appreciate the time he's spending with you. Whatever the case is, in this video I'm going to show you 3 powerful ways to make your man authentically chase you. Why these steps will work long-term unlike any mind games. How to do these easily with almost no effort. And at the very end, I have a bonus tip, and I'm going to tell you a dating habit that most women make that hurts your chance to find love. But before that, if you like videos about preventing your relationship from fading away and experiencing an amazing relationship, subscribe to the channel and tick the notification bell. Also, I have a free swipe file of 5 phrases you can say to any man to make him addicted to you in the description down below. Okay, let's get into the video. Believe you are the price. Believing you are the prize is the best way to make him genuinely chase you. But we all know it's hard to see yourself as the price in a romantic relationship. When we love someone, we often do things that will win their affection. We lower our standards and forgive bad behaviors. This is what mainly causes men to lose interest. So believe that you are the prize and put your self-respect above your feelings, and remain true to your standards. This will make you irresistible. Be willing to walk away. You must be willing to walk away from someone if it isn't working, if he is not giving you enough attention and devotion, if he is not giving you the love you expect. Don't complain it to him. Don't fight with him to make him realize. That won't change anything. Instead, be willing to walk away. If he actually wants you, he will stop other things and make up his mind to keep you with him. He has to know if he doesn't get his act together, he is going to lose you. You don't have to tell him that, you have to show him. As I always tell you, make sure to continue living your high-value life prior to meeting him. And also just show him that you aren't going to allow actions and behaviors you don't agree with. And this will tell him that he will lose you if he doesn't improve his game. Raise your standards for love, and never be too accessible. Really, make him work to get love from you. I'm not talking about sex. This doesn't mean that you shouldn't give him sex enough to make him chase you, just for that. I'm talking about your presence in his life, your love for him. Make yourself a priority. Never be too accessible. Don't agree with everything he says. If you have something against his certain behaviors or actions, don't act like they are okay. Don't make yourself devoted to only giving your man time and attention. Make sure to have your mind on other things too. Your family, friends, co-workers, hobbies, all that stuff. Okay, now, here is the bonus tip. I'm going to tell you a dating habit that most women make that will ultimately hurt your chance to find love. And that is impulsive texting. Nowadays, if you have any thought or any feeling, you can instantly text it to the other person. So, unsurprisingly, women tend to text everything they feel to their guy, and this can cause a lot of issues in your dating life. So, the next time you think of something and pick up the phone to text it to him, make sure to take a few moments and think about, do you really want to share this now? And if you don't, then wait till you meet him. If you do, then text him. Okay, but you have to understand, when he is chasing you again, that doesn't mean that he is obsessed with you and completely attached to you. You can create a beautiful relationship if he is addicted and dedicated to you. And that's why I've got a free swipe file to make any man addicted to you down below in the description. And those are not just simple concepts, those are exact phrases you can say to a man to make him truly addicted to you. So make sure to get your free download in the description. And if you want more videos about women's relationships, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.